Hello guys, welcome back to Streamlab HQ. Today I'll be introducing to you a very popular and a very good sports and live TV Kodi Addon. This particular video addon is called the DaddyLive HD, and it's very okay for sports lovers and people are looking for live TV. So okay, I'm going to open it and show you the features. So this is the feature. You can check out so many stuff here. Okay, you can see everything's okay here. Everything's fully loaded here. Then these two. Okay, so everything is just okay. So guys, there's a link in the description if you want to get the full tutorial on how to set it up on your Kodi device. You can just click there. Okay, please make sure you don't forget to subscribe so you get more updates on the latest working Kodi build and Kodi add-ons. So enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Bye.